Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can convert or show numbers in percent in your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. Now the first and most obvious option, guys, would be to simply add a percent symbol to the given number here inside your cell. You may do that by selecting and typing the given symbol on your keyboard. However, guys, doing that may turn out to be pretty exhausting if you have to do this, for example, for your entire table, one by one, cell after cell. So there's a simple trick you may apply here, guys, to simply bulk convert all of your numbers here in that list into percentage. Let me show you how to do that. In the first step, highlight these numbers or the set of or the range of data you would like to convert. And after that, simply head over to Format here at the top, hover your mouse over number and select percent. Or even faster, guys, without entering that menu here, you may simply highlight these numbers and click on that icon here, Format as percent, and it's going to convert all of the selected numbers into percentage. And there you go. As you can see, that's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.